Photoshop's Generative Fill is amazing. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I love it. So what we're going to do in today's video is use Generative Fill to take a photograph with a really boring sky and give it a really moody, cinematic sky to really elevate that photo. It's going to be really quick, so let's jump on in and let's do it.
So what we've got is we've got an image here loaded. I feel that this sky is a little bit boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my magic wand tool by here and I'm just going to select this sky by here. And just holding shift to make sure I got everything selected. Perfect, I'm happy with that. I'm just going to click Generative Fill and I'm going to type in cloudy sky and I'm going to click generate. Okay, so it's given us three options. I'm just going to cycle through and I think this is really cool actually. What I might do is I might click generate again just to get a few more options. Okay, so let's have a look. This is really interesting. It's quite moody. I like that. That's also quite cool. And I think, yeah, I'm going to go for this one. I'm just going to click a random one. There we go for this one. Now what you may want to do is, that's obviously miles better. What we may want to do is we may want to alter the colors within this just a little bit more. Obviously you have got quite a lot of shadows here, so perhaps let's go and pick a different one actually, because it's yeah, this one would be good, because again, because you've got these shadows, what it does say, and look at the light but there and the shadow over there, it's saying that there is a sun here, so it's not completely cloudy. And what you may want to do, you may just want to chuck a curves just above this, and you may want to darken the image just a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. So turn that on and off just to kind of show that it is slightly darker because the light's been obstructed slightly. So very quickly, that is how you use Generative Fill to do a sky replacement inside of Photoshop. So I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment of what you want to see next, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video tutorial. Cheers.